Today we will prepare sauce for chilis verde to highlight this incredible cooking equipment that is designed to make large batch cooking controllable, effective, and easy to execute. We start by adding olive oil to this durable equipment that can reach temperatures of 350 degrees in just 4 minutes for fast response and quick cooking times. The Eclipse can replace the need for any large pot and be an incredibly supportive piece of restaurant equipment. Now we add onions and a series of spices including kosher salt, clove, white pepper, and fresh oregano. The torsion bar hinged cover is fully adjustable to any work height, and the unique heat delivery system for either the gas or electric models and the 5/8 inch thick stainless steel clad plate allows for even heat distribution and higher cooking temperatures. Now we will add chopped garlic, peeled and roasted tomatillas, a type of gooseberry, roasted Anaheim peppers, jalapenos, and chopped cilantro. Next we will add 5 gallons of chicken stock. GROEN remains committed to investing in state-of-the-art welding and grinding technology to build the best-in-class braising pan in the food service equipment industry. Precision welding means stronger and more consistent weld seams. And precision grinding provides unparalleled consistency and smooth cove seams. All this technology is working together to provide equipment that is easy to clean and sanitize. GROEN continues to build for the future of your kitchen. And the 3-inch radius corners let you easily move the product around the cooking area. The steam vent lets you check the progress of the cooking and allows you to add liquids without lifting the lid. The ability to tilt the pan allows you to manipulate product for multiple applications. Here we will use the immersion blender to puree the broth until smooth, careful to avoid contact with the metal. The precision thermostat control housing is highly water resistant and ergonomically designed for easy line of sight display. And here we will use the tangent draw-off valve or TDO to safely move the hot liquid into a hotel pan. The TDO is designed to be completely removable for effective sanitation. The high-quality stainless steel cooking surface is the easiest to clean in the industry. No other cooking appliance offers a college or university as much flexibility and performance as the GROEN Eclipse braising pan. And all of GROEN Eclipse braising pans come standard with a 10-year body warranty. And for more information on GROEN's Eclipse braising pans, go to our website at unifiedbrands.net and click on the GROEN tab.